Welcome to the incredible world of birds of prey, where we witness nature's most magnificent hunters. From soaring eagles to stealthy owls, these avian predators showcase a breathtaking diversity that captivates us all. Predator birds play a critical role in maintaining ecological balance. As apex predators, they help control populations of prey species, preventing overpopulation and ensuring healthy ecosystems where biodiversity thrives. Let's explore the remarkable adaptations that have evolved over millions of years, allowing these birds to excel as hunters. These unique traits are vital for their survival and hunting success. Meet the harpy eagle, known for its incredible grip and powerful talons, designed to capture and kill large prey such as monkeys and sloths. Its strength is second to none in the avian world. Now, let's highlight the caracara with extraordinary sharp eyesight, allowing it to spot its next meal from high above. Whether scavenging or hunting, this bird demonstrates the versatility needed for survival on land and water. Next, the Peregrine Falcon, renowned for its speed, capable of reaching over 200 miles per hour during a dive to catch its prey mid-air. Finally, the osprey, a master of fishing, with reversible outer toes and barbed pads on its feet to grasp slippery fish from the water. Now let's dive into the fascinating strategies of deception. The snowy owl's exceptional camouflage allows it to blend into the snowy terrain, making it an invisible hunter. The bald eagle, with its remarkable wingspan, is famous for its hunting techniques, utilizing swift aerial dives to snatch fish from the water surface. Perfecting this skill ensures its place at the top of the food chain. Lastly, the shrike employs mimicry, imitating the calls of other birds to lure unsuspecting prey closer. This clever strategy showcases the intelligence and adaptability of predator birds in the wild. The peregrine falcon, known for its incredible speed, uses high-speed dives to catch prey mid-air, demonstrating unmatched precision. The great horned owl, with its silent flight, can approach prey undetected, making it a formidable nocturnal hunter. Now let's explore the art of cooperation. Ospreys can work in groups to fish more effectively, demonstrating teamwork and synergy that enhances their hunting success. Similar social dynamics can be observed among African wild dogs, renowned for their cooperative hunting strategies. Birds of prey, too, engage in interplay between species to maximize their success. Pelicans exhibit remarkable teamwork by herding fish into shallow waters, making it easier to catch their prey. Even crows display cooperative behavior, often working together to steal food and then sharing the spoils. Birds of prey have been revered and feared for centuries in mythology and culture. The eagle symbolizes power in Rome, while the owl represents wisdom in Greek mythology. In Native American culture, the eagle is a sacred messenger. The owl is linked with Athena, symbolizing knowledge. In Norse mythology, the raven represents Odin. These birds inspire art, literature, and modern symbols. Their presence in folklore and art continues to inspire awe. We strive to conserve these magnificent creatures and their cultural heritage. Conservation efforts are more crucial than ever. Organizations like the Peregrine Fund and the Raptor Research Foundation protect these magnificent birds. Through research, education, and rehabilitation, they ensure the survival of birds of prey. Let's explore their groundbreaking work and how you can get involved. The Peregrine Fund has brought the Peregrine Falcon back from the brink of extinction. Through captive breeding, habitat restoration, and public awareness campaigns, they have reintroduced falcons into their natural habitats. The Raptor Research Foundation focuses on the scientific study of birds of prey, providing critical data for conservation strategies. Their work includes tracking migration patterns and studying climate change impacts on raptors. You can play a role in these efforts, support these organizations, participate in local bird counts, or spread awareness about raptors. Together we can ensure these guardians of the sky continue to soar. Birds of prey have made their mark in popular media. From movies like The Big Year and The Eagle Huntress to documentaries and TV shows, these birds captivate audiences. Their hunting skills and majestic presence make them perfect for storytelling. These portrayals entertain and educate, inspiring conservation efforts. As we look to the future, the survival of birds of prey depends on our actions today. Climate change, habitat destruction, and pollution are significant threats, but with concerted efforts we can make a difference. Innovative technologies like satellite tracking and genetic research are providing new insights into their behavior and needs. Satellite tracking allows scientists to monitor migration patterns and habitat use, helping to identify critical areas that need protection. Genetic research is uncovering the mysteries of their adaptation and resilience, giving us the tools to bolster populations and mitigate threats. Conservation organizations are also working tirelessly to restore habitats, enforce anti-poaching laws, and educate the public about the importance of these majestic birds. Community engagement and international cooperation are essential components of these efforts, ensuring that everyone has a role to play. Join us as we explore the future of these incredible hunters and what we can do to ensure they continue to thrive. Together we can make a difference and secure a future where birds of prey soar high in the skies, embodying the spirit of freedom and the beauty of nature. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey into the world of birds of prey. Remember, every action counts when it comes to conservation. Let's work together to ensure these extraordinary hunters continue to thrive.